Hello everyone, this is Jack Martin, celebrity hair colorist with 35 years behind the chair. Today I have Chiroko. Tell me a little bit about your hair.
The basic cut, I like the length, but I feel like it needs a little more shape. It's getting a little bit thin on this.
You know, Chiroko, when we get a little bit more mature,
Yes.
we lose some hair due to sometimes genetic, due to a lot of factors. So that's where we can create a cut that will really bring back the volume. So what I'm thinking, to create a little bit more bangs, to give you more fullness in this area, and to show how cute your face is by framing it. For the sides, I'm planning to keep the length because it's really bringing your cheekbone out. The back needs a lot of shaping. I will try to push this up by creating more blending so the side will look a little bit longer, going in an angle. So are you ready to do it?
I am so ready.
Me too. Let's do it.
Yes.
So my guide is gonna be the shortest hair, which is the nape area. That's gonna be my guide, and I'm gonna go from there, blending and cutting layers. So while I'm doing a dry cut, we'll see where it's curlier and where it's looser, and we cut it accordingly.
Perfect.
This is the K18 Estro Lift Repetitive Volume Spray. It does not weigh your hair down, it does not make it sticky, and it's very flexible. Make sure you shake the bottle very well and you hold it about 4 to 6 inches away from your hair. You can either use it on wet hair or dry hair.
I love that.
So as you see, this product is like so weightless, but it's giving you exactly the amount of volume you need.
It's so light. It's unbelievably light. This is fantastic. Thank you, Jack.
Thank you very much for coming.
God,
Thank
yes.
you. Love it.